to sign up in Bumble. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Quick guide. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up in Bumble. To get started, make sure you have already installed Bumble app. As for now, I haven't installed my Bumble app, so let me install first. To install, go to your Play Store and search Bumble and then click on install. As soon as your Bumble app install, open it. Now you can see the option, either you can continue with Facebook or you can use cell phone number. For now, I will choose continue with Facebook. It will navigate you to this interface. Here set the location or click on not now. Now enter your first name. Here select your photos from gallery by clicking on plus icon. Now enter your birth date. And confirm. Here choose your gender. So your gender on profile turn on. Next click on more to get started. Let's click on date. If you want to make friends, then you can click on BFF. Here, who would you like to date? Click on it. Here, what are you hoping to find? For now, I choose a relationship. So here you go. If you click on build my profile, you will be navigated to the profile page. In this way, you can sign up on Bumble. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.